5 to 10 miles an hour. Weather message.
Damn.
For the following county, Jefferson, Ohio, and the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke and Hancock, and Washington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Jefferson County in East Central Ohio, Northwestern Washington County in Southwestern Pennsylvania, Southern Beaver County in Western Pennsylvania, Northwestern Allegheny County in Southwestern Pennsylvania, Northeastern Brooke County in Northern West Virginia, Southeastern Hancock County in Northern West Virginia, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whidden, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Moon Township, Whidden, Steubenville, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Northside Pittsburgh, Scott Township, Robinson Township. Economy. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 30. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 28 and 48. Parkway North between mile markers 1 and 13. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.